Hello again, my friends. Today we'll learn how to say goodbye in English. Good morning, Chani. Good morning, Lily. I have to go now. Okay. Goodbye. See you later. See you soon. Let's say together. Goodbye. See you soon. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Take care.
Goodbye. See you soon. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Take care.
Okay, let's practice it again. Goodbye. See you soon. See you tomorrow. Have a nice day. Take care. We say see you plus time. See you tomorrow. See you soon. See you later. Now I say to you, see you soon, my friends. Next time we will talk about family. Bye bye.